What we got here, John? Big John?
Tap down and no hammer. No, we got the Edgy Tools no roll tap down. Is that what it's called?
Yeah.
Basically gives you 2 points of access for tapping. So if you want and you're trying to do slow work, if you're trying to do some close clean work right here, you can come in from this side. If you're a little bit further away, want to see what's going on, sniper it right from this way right here.
Hold on, going too fast. I can't see. All right, go ahead. Where you at? Yeah.
It's too sharp for that, but nice thing is,
well, take that tip off.
Take this tip off?
Yes. See, John doesn't even know.
Oh, I do. I just don't remember. All right. Seems to be moving the metal nicely. You're not getting any half moon divots because of the way it's nicely polished on the end, which you want to make sure that if you have something like this, anything polished, that you keep it routinely keep it polished.
Wow, no kidding.
Things will start going bad real quick for you. But it's got a good dispersal of the metal. You don't feel like you're gonna really mess up, and that's the hard thing.
How do you like the feel of it though?
I like the feel. I like the weight on it. I like this old school. It kind of reminds you of the old pencil cushions that you used to have get from school. It's
oh yeah,
nice and cushiony. Yeah, the little pencil covers. Okay, yeah. So it's a little nostalgic, and but it's nice on the hand. You don't have to worry about the tool slipping out because it's just bare metal. You actually, it gives you a little bit of a grip.
How do you like the weight?
How do you like? I do like the weight.
I like the weight.
And I would like to try it. You know, I don't know if this side's really so much for a one of these guys, a paddle. I'm gonna try it with this.
Okay, hold on.
This hammer real quick. Here you go. See how this feels for me. Already want to bring it close. I do feel that being so close,
yeah,
to the actual tip.
Now using it with the rubber on it, how do you like it? I mean,
I like it. I like the bounce off of it. I do like the fact that because it's close, it gives me, I feel like I have a little bit more accuracy and I can really hold it tight. Whereas when you're further away, sometimes, you know, there's always that, oh, is the tool gonna slip or move? This, for those,
oh, I see your point. Yeah, okay.
Detailed hard hits that you know you're gonna put some pressure behind that swing. It's nice to know that your tool's not gonna be going anywhere. Mm-hmm. But let's try that. Does this guy just pop off, you said?
Yeah.
Same as the other one. Let's see how this guy works.
Let me see the tip, right? Turn around just right there.
Oh, right.
Yeah, right there. Okay. All right.
Same finish as the other side. Just gives you that ability to get in a little bit tighter.
I don't see any marking or...
No, and you can really just put it right where you want it. I like that. Now I just did a little slip, and that could be because of the rubber versus the, you know, no protection there. But good feel.
Okay.
Yeah.
That was the Edgy Tools no roll. Listen, I'm letting John. He hasn't touched any of these tools, so I'm trying to see if he likes it. Okay. I know I like it. I personally prefer the taller part of it, but I see your point on the smaller one, the Edge.
Yeah.
But I think what's really is that you gotta check this out. These tips come with it. You got a couple tips, and you got the rubber tip right there, which really make it. And then, like you said, you can take it off, and then now you've got a nice polished tip on both sides. So that will come off right there.
That one is not enough.
Yeah.
It's not.
Okay. You got You got that one right there too, and same thing with that. So, and the weight of it's really good, John.
It is. I do like the weight, especially a bigger guy. When I'm holding like an aluminum knockdown, I feel like one missed tap, that thing's gonna go flying. And if it hits the ground, then there goes the tip.
Here's the weight, like all right in this part right here. So this is really makes it more weighted. It's honestly, it's got a really good feel to it. It's very misleading. And then another thing too is like you can, you want to put it here in your pocket.
You're not
right. So now it's not falling in the pocket.
not digging for that tap down.
Yeah, it's boom, it's right there. So that's pretty cool.